Hey everyone, Marine here for Hello Bluebird. It is release day. All the new stamp and die sets will be available later today at 7 p.m. Mountain Time. So I'm back with more inspiration for you, and today I'm showcasing the adorable new Winter Skate stamp set, as well as the new Snow Globe Builder die set. I picked 3 small sentiments from Glad Tidings from last year, and I used the new Slimline skating pond die that I will show later in the video. The first thing I did was to stamp and cut the images. You can notice that I also stamped many trees. Well, there wasn't enough room for them on the cards, so they will end up on another project. So I just colored the cute critters and small hearts using my alcohol markers. Once the coloring was done, I cut 6 snow globes. I cut the ones on the left out of Bristol cardstock to do the ink blending, and cut the ones on the right out of white cardstock to create snow borders. And I also cut some trees using the Slimline skating pond die. So I started with the snow borders. I took a white snow globe inside piece and used the 3 small border dies from the set to cut this inside element in 4 pieces. And I made sure to leave enough space for the trees on the top section. So here we have my inside element cut into 4 pieces. I got rid of the top part and did the same thing with the 2 other snow globe inside pieces. And once the snow borders were cut, I took the Bristol pieces and created the backgrounds using some distressings. I used tattered rose, festive berries, and edged mahogany to blend bold and bright red skies on the 3 snow globe inside elements. I started by applying tattered rose at the bottom, next some festive berries towards the top, and finally some edged mahogany at the very top to darken the sky. And as always, I went back and forth with my blending tools to get a nice blending. Next, I added some texture, and I started with some water droplets. I created 2 other identical panels, and then I added more texture. I poured some Copic opaque white ink on my glass surface, and I added water to it, and then I used a small brush to create a lot of snow on the 3 snow globe panels. I set those red panels aside to dry and decided to add a little bit of shadows to the snow borders and trees. I just added a bit of tattered rose distressing on the edges. Here we have all the elements ready to be assembled, and I also cut 3 plain snow globes, and this will be the base of each snow globe. So next I just attached each element on top of each other using liquid glue. Once all the images, entries and sentiments were attached, I cut 3 simple card bases measuring 4 by 3.5 inches. And from those card bases, I created 3 snow globe card bases. I just placed the plain snow globe die on the card base, and you can notice that the die sticks out at the top. I taped the die on the paper, sent them to the die cutting machine, and here we have a snow globe card base. I did the same thing with the 2 other card bases, and then I attached each snow globe panel on a card base. And one last final thing, I cut 3 bows out of red cardstock and stuck 1 bow at the top of each snow globe. And that's it, all done! As always, I added highlights and details on the images and on the background as well, using a white gel pen. I hope that you like those bold and pretty snow globes. Get ready to shop, the wait is almost done. Have a very nice day and see you soon for a new Hello Bluebird video. Thanks for watching. Bye!